In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste the width of your columns here in Google Sheets. In a previous video on resizing your columns, your cells, or your rows, I got this comment on how can you adjust the width of your columns to the same size of a column that you've already adjusted. So this video is an answer for that comment. So what the commenter was trying to say is if he had one column perfectly adjusted to the size or to the width that he wanted, and he wanted that same width to be applied to the rest of his columns. So how do we do that? We're just going to simply copy the width of this column right here, then paste it with the rest of these columns right here. So go ahead and select that column that you have perfectly adjusted to the perfect width, then right-click on it and select Copy. Once you've copied that column, now you can select those columns where you want that same width to be applied to. Once you've selected them, right-click, then go to Paste Special. With our Paste Special, we have so many options that we can do, and one of them would be to paste the column width only. So we're not pasting any other data other than the width of the column that we just copied. So if I click on this, it has applied the same width to all those selected columns right here. And there you have it. It's as simple as copying and using our Paste Special to paste the certain width that we need for our data or for our columns. So let's do that one more time. Again, just select the column that you want to copy, right-click on it, go to Copy, then select the range where you want that width or that size to be applied to, right-click again, select Paste Special, then go to Column Width Only. Click on that, and there you have it. We have successfully copied and pasted the width of this column right here and applied it to these columns right here. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.